Hi everyone, I'm Mara and I do a lot of sewing videos in this channel. So if you're new here, welcome. So for today's video, I made this crop top turtleneck with bishop sleeve. So a client asked me to make her a turtleneck with bishop sleeves because she can't find any in the online stores. So let's get in the tutorial.
This is the turtleneck that I'm going to use as my pattern, and if you have a turtleneck with full sleeves, that is better to use as a pattern. Basically, just trace out the front piece, back piece, and the sleeves. Then I fold the paper and place it in a shoulder line and trace the sleeves. Since my turtleneck is not a full sleeve, I measure my shoulder to my wrist for the length of my sleeve. Then measure your wrist to find the length of the cuff for the sleeve. Then I fold the sleeve pattern inch by inch and then cut the lines. Then trace the new pattern for the sleeve. By the way, I use a serger because it is better to sew knits and stretchable fabric with it. But if you don't have one, you can use a zigzag stitch in your regular sewing machine. Then I pin the sleeves to the bodies and sew. After that, sew the sleeves together with the side seams. Then I will create another cuff for the neckline. Just measure the length of the neckline. Then I fold it and sew with a straight stitch or in a serger. And then fold it again and pin it to the neckline, then sew. And just same process to the cuff of the sleeves. Then I gather the sleeve by sewing a 2 parallel basting stitch and pull out the upper thread and sew on the cuff. Finally, I use a twin needle to hem the top and I just fold it once and sew it. I prefer to use a twin needle in hemming a stretchable fabric because it creates zigzag stitch in the wrong side of the fabric.